Hey guys, what's up? Ripman here. Yep, got a new toy today. Sold my one wheel and I needed something to get around on. So here it is. Let's open it up and see what's in the box. So we have the usual. It's like a charger. Yep, it is. Put that right here. What else? Charging cord. And geez, this looks like some caps for the nuts. We'll leave those there. Alright, this thing looks like it's packed pretty well. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Multi-tool. Probably gonna need that. And holy cow, how am I gonna get this out of the box? Alright guys, I'm back. Here it is. The TurboWheel Lightning. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Jason from E-Wheels sent me over a, we call this a storage pack. Mounts right there. You can put your crap in it. Looks like he sent over an upgraded mount for the front here. I'll have to play with that later. And also, he sent over what looks like, geez, it looks like a horn. Or a bell. Oh, it's got it all. Anyways, great dealer with that guy. I mean, he just knows how to take care of his customers. Well, I got to adjust the brakes and I got to adjust the controls. I'm going to stick it on charge and then we're going to go for a ride and I'll show you how it goes in my first impressions. Hey guys, what's up? Ripman here, trying out the new TurboWheel Lightning, and I gotta say, for a scooter, it's pretty impressive. So I think I'm in one, and I'm in single mode, and I am on turbo. So let's see how fast it goes. Well, I'll say this, it's pretty impressive. And yeah, wow, thing's flying. Doing 17 miles an hour, probably just as fast as I want to go. I feel a little big on this thing. Maybe wider handlebars, maybe out in front of me a little more. I feel like I'm on top of the handlebars. Well, it is a scooter, so you got to remember that. It's got great acceleration. I'm just going to take a quick run around this park real fast. I don't see any signs that say no scooters. So the suspension's amazingly good. All right, let's hit it. Remember, I'm only on one, and she's pretty quick, as I'm sure you can see on the GoPro. Disc brakes pretty good. They're not the hydraulics, they're cable. But yeah, she's pretty fast. I mean, definitely fast enough. You can definitely go as fast as you want, and feel pretty secure. It's a little squirrely being that the front wheel is straight under you. I mean, you could use your body to lean to combat that, and the steering's a little stiff. I can't wait for it to loosen up. All right, let's hit it on this trail. All right, 22 miles an hour, and I don't even know what mode I'm in. So that's pretty good 22 is pretty fast. I don't think I would want to cruise any faster than 22. But yeah, impressive little scooter. But let's not forget, guys, it's a scooter. Oh my gosh, a scooter. Anyways, well, I'm going to take it back home and try to throw it together a little video. Let's run it through this parking lot. Got some nice uneven surface. The suspension works pretty good. Yeah, cranking right through this stuff. Alright, so I'm on 1 and I must be in turbo mode because it's pretty hairy. Like, I don't think I would want to go too much faster than this, maybe for a short burst. But cruise speed, I would say right around 18. Comfortable, not too squirrely. Yeah, this thing's a beast. Alright, pretty cool. I'll see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it'll be up in the air.